Okay, so this portable water flosser was actually sent to me to try out, and I'm super excited because I find it very annoying to actually use regular floss. So I'm really excited to use this portable water flosser to try and, use it and see how it works. So let's see what's actually inside the box. So we have the actual flosser tool right here. So as you can see, you do have like the on button right here. You do have this mode, and then you have from low straight up to high. And then of course this is the tank, and you can see the little filter inside of there. So this is how much water you can use. You can go ahead and open this. This is how you're going to go ahead and fill the water inside here so you can have the water to use, and of course drain it if you needed to drain it. Now this little piece right here is actually how you're going to be able to charge it, because of course you can go ahead and charge it and then cover it back right here. Now this part can go ahead and come off. You can go ahead and fill the water like this, fill it, then put it back in and then lock it as it says right here. Then if you wanted to go ahead and drain it, you could. So totally up to you how you want to do that. Let's see what else is inside. You do get a sort of instruction guide. So you get the cable, of course, the charging cable, and then you get 6 different types of picks to go ahead and use. So each of them have a different use, a different angle. I'm not sure if you can tell right there, these two are sort of shaped and bent differently. Okay, so while we have that here, I'm just going to show you in the air what the pressure sort of looks like. So once I go ahead and turn that on, as you can see, and then I can just go through the different methods. We're going to try the lowest one. So I'm going to have it already in my mouth, and then we're going to go ahead and basically clean. A lot of water is gone. I've gone ahead. I actually prefer to use this while I'm in the shower because, of course, the water is sprouting out and it can get messy. What I love about it though is it really gets into your gums and definitely helps get rid of all of that decay. It's super powerful. So once you're starting, I do recommend starting at the lowest level, because then you can sort of work your way up to the higher ones. You don't want to start with too much pressure, of course, for your gums. So this is definitely helpful, and it is not that big. You can go ahead and separate this if you wanted to carry it, travel with it, and then put it together. Super easy to carry around, and you do get quite a few of them. So this is a great option. Instead of flossing, you use a water flosser.